people tell you what they want to be when they're 6. They don't necessarily know. You can't say what you want to be when you grow up and you're going to get an answer because they don't know what the choices are. But their behaviors tell you that. I went to the dentist and said, what'd you like to do as a kid? He says, well, he gave me a whole list of silly things. And then he said, well, like most boys, at the end of the summer, I would take my bicycle apart and clean all the parts and put it back together. And I said, first off, most boys don't do that. And second off, does that sound something like dentistry to you? He said, yeah, it is. Almost all dentists like to play with tools and want things to be neat. So there are personality characteristics that direct who we become. It's not about knowledge.
We take people who know what they want to be at 6, and we pretty much pave over that. It's like we just, and we say, now you're going to sit there, you're going to shut up, you're going to do this, you're going to do as I tell you. We kind of fast track them into an organization where it's just kind of the same deal. It's like, you're going to work on this, you're going to do this project, you finish this on time. And the upshot is that, maybe at 30 years of age or 45 years of age, they suddenly think, holy crap, what have I been doing this whole time? Any of this really reflects kind of who I am, the person I was at 6. And if you're lucky, you're like the dentist, and some of that has made its way into your working life. But if you're unlucky, you've spent half your lifetime doing a bunch of stuff which other people told you to do. It doesn't really mean anything to you. And I think that's a tremendous kind of waste of human potential.
We have one simple job. When we find out someone's interested in taking bikes apart, we have to learn what kinds of professions that relates to. So we know dentistry is probably not the only one. And offer those courses.
I think those kids can be earning money. If you love to do something, then it's kind of not work. Especially in a digital world, you can't be 14 years old and doing cyber defense. If you're good at it, you like doing it.
I agree. It's a very clever idea to change the school so that kids can find things to work, make money on while they're in school.
Yeah.
We can't make this change until we can get someone to realize it's wrong. It's broken.
Yeah.
This video was brought to you by Primed Media. Get in touch if you would like any films or training.